أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Assalamu alaikum children. Today we will continue with our exercise for the lesson fiber to fabric. Yes, day before yesterday we did up to question number 4. Today we will take question number 5. It's also an objective type question. Yes, open your books and see. Yes. The question is the science of raising silkworms so as to obtain silk cocoon is called. Yes. What is this science called? This is called sericulture. This is called sericulture. And next is question number 6. The hair on the skin of sheep, yak, etc., from which wool can be obtained. This is known as options are wool, fleece, silk, and yarn. This is called fleece. The hair on the skin of sheep is called fleece. Then question number 7 is the proper sequence of life cycle of silkworms is. How a life cycle of silkworm starts. The options are egg to pupa, pupa gives caterpillar. Option B, pupa gives egg, eggs gives caterpillar. Option C, eggs gives caterpillar, gives pupa. And the D option, caterpillar gives eggs and egg gives pupa. The right option is eggs. Female moth lays eggs and caterpillar develops from the eggs, and from that the pupa develops. The option C is the correct answer. Question number 9. Given below is a sequence of steps in the processing of wool. Which are the missing steps at them? Yes. In the processing of wool, first shearing is done. After shearing, the next step is scouring. And then the third step is sorting. Fourth step is picking up birds out of birds. And fifth step is coloring. And the last step is rolling. Okay. Then question number 10 is make sketches of the 2 stages in the life history of the silk moth which are directly related to the production of silk. Yes, this is the stage first the female egg lays eggs. The female moth lays eggs, and from these eggs develops the larva or the silkworms or the caterpillars which feed on these mulberry leaves. From these caterpillar they starts to develop secrete a protein layer around themselves, and that layer when exposed to air hardens. That forms the cocoon. This is the cocoon, it's pupa, and the moth gets closed inside it. And this is the next stage when the silk moth, when the silk moth comes out of the cocoon and starts again the cycle. This is the last sketch of the cocoon. Question number 11. Out of the following, which are the 2 terms related to silk production? Sericulture, floriculture, moriculture, apiculture and silviculture. Yes, hint silk production involves cultivation of mulberry leaves and rearing silk. Scientific name of mulberry is Morus alba. So related terms to silk production is sericulture, because the science which deals with the developing silkworms and production of obtaining silk, that's known as silk sericulture. And the scientific name of this mulberry is Morus alba. So moriculture is related with this silk production. So the answer is sericulture and moriculture. Then question number 12. Match the words of column 1 with those of given in column 2. Scoring. Scoring means clean, cleaning sheared skin, the E part. Then the number 2 is mulberry leaves. Mulberry leaves, they are the food of silkworm. So option C for 2. Then is 3 yolk. It's also a wool yielding animal. So the option B is for yolk. Then is cocoon. Cocoon, it yields silk. The option A is for cocoon. Okay. This is all for today. Till then, bye.